here we go.
Okay, so that intro had me shook. Seeing James from like, I don't know, like a year or two ago with those big bushy eyebrows saying, "Oh Lord," blah blah blah. I don't even know. It just got me. Okay, it just got me. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to try to follow James Charles's first ever tutorial on his channel. I don't know if this is like the first tutorial he's ever done on YouTube, but this is the first one I found on his actual channel. So without further ado, also my computer screen is right here. Also going to put the video up here somewhere so that y'all can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not gonna have any of the products he has because I'm really cheap, and y'all know I only use like dollar makeup, so let's do this. Okay, so he said he has Benefit Porefessional Primer. I don't got anything that has anything to do with like pores as a primer, but I have two primers to pick from. So I'm just gonna go with my e.l.f. primer because I ain't got nothing else. So okay, so he uses a orange color corrector. I don't have that because he said he uses it to correct his 5 o'clock shadow and stuff, but I do have orange eyeshadow, so I'm ready to use that. Oh my god, no I'm not ready. Why am I doing this? This is bad. Wow, love it. Now he's using a green color corrector to cover his acne spots, which is probably really smart. I don't have any green, but I do have a green eyeshadow maybe. We love a camo moment. Okay, so he uses a lot of foundation. Okay, his foundation looks really yellow. I have a yellow foundation. This is not my color, porcelain color, but let's use it because I feel like he's using a really light foundation that's kind of yellow too, so I'm gonna do it. Also guys, before I forget, comment down below what video you would like to see next. Today's video was actually requested by my friend. She's right here. And it did take a little while, but I did get around to doing it. So if you want me to do any challenge or any kind of makeup look, then please just let me know because I will do them. He uses a lot of concealer. Can we just talk about the fact that he's using LA Girl in this tutorial? Like, he's literally has makeup sent to him from like the greatest makeup companies in the world, and he's over here like starting out using LA Girl or whatever. Like, that inspires me. Do I look like James yet? Also, I don't really recommend this concealer, which is the only concealer I've ever used on my channel. And I'm sorry I'm saying this now, but like after using it a bunch, I don't really like it. It kind of, well, for me, I have dry skin, so it just kind of doesn't work out with my dry skin. It kind of just collects in my patches. Oh my god, this looks gross. He used airspun powder, which I have. It's probably the only thing that I have. And he uses a powder puff. It looks kind of good on camera, but like in person, you can see all the little like white flecks sticking to my beautiful dry skin. I find it interesting that he did his face first and then he's going to do his eyeshadow. Okay, so he is taking a white shade from a contour palette, and I don't have a contour palette, but I have, yeah, I mean, kinda. I have this. But I don't think I have a brush. I don't know. This, I'm gonna try to fit this in this little white right here. This is a lot of makeup. I probably just don't have the right products. That's probably why I look so busted. Okay, now he's contouring. I never contour, and there's a reason why. The closest thing to contour we have, I guess. Let's use it. We love a chiseled sister. Yeah. Ew! He went like this. love that. Using more contour, bro. He gets a smaller brush and he gets... In the name of Jesus, I rebuke all evil spirits in the holy name of Jesus. In the holy name of Jesus, it is finished. I'm kind of scared now. I'm gonna use this one because I'm feeling daring. I love that. So cute. Why, James? Why do you need this much, bro? Why? That's crazy. He uses a lot of drag techniques. Okay, so he gets his puff to air spun powder, and he goes from this part of his ear, and then it goes like that. Oh my god, we literally already set our face. Now we're setting it again. Okay, hold on. He set his face like twice. This is an actual beauty guru. He knows what he's doing. We just have to trust that he knows what he's doing. Okay, y'all. So he does his eyebrows off camera. And the reason why I wanted to do this tutorial was because I freaking love just how big and obnoxious his eyebrows used to be. So I'm going to go do my brows off camera and I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so I completed these yummy little James eyebrows, and honestly I did really try though. I really tried to like kind of do them like he did, but then I kind of went crazy. So this is the kind of eyebrows we got. Yeah, he said he used like a pink transition shade. It was like a light pink though. Okay, and then he's using like, I'm not gonna have anything he has, so if that's what you're looking for, I'm sorry. The transition shade. So I'm just like guessing. Oh, I didn't watch it all the way through. I don't know what he's doing. He's got like little dark shades going on, and I don't know. Little like dark browns going on like in the inner and outer corner, and I'm dumb and I thought that he was like putting the brown in his crease. Still baking, which I didn't do, my bad. I think I need to add a little bit of this blue. Now he's dipping into like a shimmer, a blue. I think I'm gonna mix up a couple colors. So Tsunami and the Atlantis palette. Oh yeah, he also did spray his brush with Max Fix Plus, which your girl does not have that. This would look really cute if I like actually did it right, you know? Okay, and then he takes a blue green on a like smaller brush and puts it in the center. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, and now he is just like softening everything, and I wish I had a brush like that, but I don't. So I'm gonna blend things out, and then I'm gonna go in with a brown like he did, and then try to blend that out. Oh my god, I forgot that my eyebrows look like this. Cute. And so he has a turquoise eye pencil, which I do not have. But I do have a turquoise eyeshadow. Wow. Okay, now he says he has a black jumbo eye pencil that he uses under his waterline. So I'm just going to take a black shadow. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting like 2013 Scene Queen vibes. I guess now we're done with the eyeshadow. We're going to go on into some mascara. Okay, so my camera just stopped recording, but all I did was put on mascara. Okay, and then he just puts on some little glam lashes. And whenever I want to use glam lashes, I always go for these called Amelia from Away Studios, which I bought on Shop Miss A. It's such a mess where I am right now. Like, it's everywhere. I feel like this wouldn't look half bad if I just like erased these eyebrows. Might erase them. Erase. I'm acting like they're like pencil. Yeah, I might go to the bathroom after I put my eyelashes on and like take some off because I feel like this look could be okay. Okay, I'm back. I applied my lashes and I realized that I put the wrong eyelash on the wrong eye. So if you can notice it, sorry. Also, these eyebrows are still kind of like big a little bit for my liking, but they're toned down a lot. So let's go and see what else he's gonna do next. I don't understand why people use glow kits. Like, only 1 or 2 colors is gonna fit you. Like, what about the other 2 colors in there? So I guess I'll just use my Wet n Wild highlight and my Milani highlight, because they're both like 2 different colors. And I'll just dip into both. Looks really different. Like, I don't know if he's had work done yet, but he looks really different. I think he has lip fillers. Okay, so now he's going on to lipstick, and I think this shade is similar to what he's using. This is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. No, catsuit lipstick in the color Caramel Cafe. Just kidding, it's called Caramel Cake. Y'all know I can't read. I kind of feel like this is really close to what he's using. Like, maybe it's a dupe. They're probably just similar colors though. So he's adding some eyeshadow to like the center of his lips. And this is, I think, the closest color I have to what he's using. I feel like it looks really goth on me, but it doesn't look goth on him for some reason. It looks like he's like artsy and all that, but I feel like on me it looks really freaking like goth. I don't know. Okay, so we made it to the end. Okay, so I'm definitely getting like grungy vibes. Those eyebrows that I did earlier, trying to be funny and like making fun of him, were not cute. Glad that I softened them and made them smaller. But honestly, this look is really cool. Like, following his tutorial, I kind of have more respect for him for some reason, just because like this is hard, and the makeup he uses, even when he first started, was expensive. So like, he obviously cares so much about it. So that's cute, that's cool. So yeah, this is my final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos by me. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling me what it is exactly you guys want to see in my next video. And give it a thumbs up if you want my channel to thrive and flourish. We are a very small, tiny community. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.